Hi, my name is Naira Vilumian, and I'm the founder of the Academy of Social Competency. I would be delighted to meet you at our programs, which are dedicated to developing successful communication skills. What is successful communication? Is it an annoying term that we hear every day, or maybe something else? We consider this skill set multidimensional and involved in all spheres of life. Keeping in mind, good communicators are effective communicators. Incorporating several directions at the same time makes our method of teaching and training unique. The first direction focuses on successful communication, how to hear other people, how to be heard, how to be understood and perhaps loved, how to sell, how to build strong, trusting relationships, how to read between lines and elegantly persuade. The second direction involves creating a personal brand, how to impress and use the effects of social perception, as well as employing the basics of good mannerisms and etiquette, so that they speak louder than any words. The third direction deals with how to experience less stress in communication and how to avoid conflicts, negative emotions, and anxiety. In one word, how to enjoy communication and get dividends in personal and professional life. On our website, you will find a variety of programs which on one hand will develop your confidence, communication, and relationship building skills. On the other hand, we have a separate programs for those who would like to join our team as trainers and teach social emotional skills to children and teenagers. During our programs, I am more than happy to share experiences that I have gathered during decades of my coaching and psychotherapeutic practice. I will reveal the unadvertised secrets that effective communicators know very well. I will also provide psychological tips that will support you everywhere. Don't forget to read our blog and leave your message if there are topics of special interest to you. Welcome to our programs and a new chapter in your life.